that man got my back. And it feels different, you know. That man, he's always there for me. Like, it's not ever a moment where he won't pause to like make sure I'm good, you know, or it can be creative, you know, advice, you know, whatever. He's just there for me.
Hello, my pretties. Welcome back to Work of Excellence TV, Valentine's Day edition. Not sponsored. I bought these items with my own money. And today we're going to be doing a haul from Shein, a Valentine's Day haul. Okay, so I got some pieces for Valentine's Day. Always keep in mind, I am the young grandma, so I won't be putting too much out there, you know? My husband wouldn't be happy about that. What happens behind closed doors, stay behind closed doors, right? So I just got some pieces that I would like to just bring in the mood of Valentine's Day, just to lounge around the house any day, because any day is Valentine's Day when you're in love, right? So I got some pieces here. Got these pants, and these are some Valentine's Day pants. They are super long for the short girl, okay? But we're going to make the best out of them. We're just at home, walking around, you know, just not wearing that old frumpy gown, you know. We're just going to walk around and with this set, and got the top with it right here. So it's a nice little set. You know, hey, I think you could even run to the store with it on. It got long sleeves, you know. So I got this right here, and I'm going to be modeling that for you as well. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la. Sweater here. On the model, you'll see she wearing it like a dress, and I just know it's really too short for me for a dress, but I said maybe I can wear it oversized shirt, right? But I don't really like how the material feels. It's kind of heavy, and I don't really like wearing things that weigh me down. And you'll see on the picture, this is a size 3X. If you want to wear it as a shirt, size up. If you want to wear it as a shirt, I would say size down on it. But all in all, it looks cute in the picture, but it wasn't for me. So this will be going back. And now let me tell you guys about this outfit, okay? So I saw the lady and the man, and it had this right here was the lock, and the man has the shirt that is the key, right? But when I ordered it and I received it, it only came with the one shirt. And I was like, oh. So I even did another shirt like that as well. This one, I saw another man and woman shirt, and this one say love. It's the LO, and then on the man, I'm gonna be putting pictures up, and on the man's side, it had the VE with some hearts to, you know, complete the heart. And I got these shirts, and they only came with the females, you know. So I didn't know that I have to go on to the men's site and I have to order the other pieces to these shirts. This one and this one, right? So when I went to order, they didn't have any more. It was sold out. So I couldn't get the other part to this one. But it's okay. It is okay. So when I went to order this one, they only had, I think, a 1X or extra large in the mail. So I just ordered it, just to order it, okay? And so I got that for my husband. Now, I don't know if he could fit this or not. It's real stretchy though. So he may be able, see how stretchy it is? He may be able to fit that, but we'll see.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind.
Okay, so now I got this shirt, and this shirt kind of runs small, and I mean I could even intertwine with this shirt and the pants, these pants here, if I want, or with just something else. But this is just a shirt I wear out, you know. I think it's cute, you know. So we're gonna just have us a little Valentine's Day week. And like I said, I didn't get a whole lot of things because a lot of them wasn't me. I can only show you what I'm comfortable with and what's me. I end up getting this right here. This gown, it has a split in the back. I guess you can wear it in the front if you want to wear it in the front. It is very, very see-through, but the young grandma is not putting on nothing on this channel see-through. I'm gonna leave that for the young folks, okay? So I'm going to like model it like it's a dress. Just picture it wearing it without nothing, okay? And then you'll get the picture, and plus I'll even put up a picture of the model with it on, and me, I will be having something up under here, okay? And it's gonna look like an outfit when I model it, but just know I'm wearing it Valentine's Day night without those undergarments, okay? But it's only for my husband to see, not the world, okay? So I'm gonna model that as well.
Everybody just bounce, bounce, check it out. Everybody just bounce, bounce, shake it out.
'Cause the loving ain't the same when you keep on playing games like you know I'm here to stay.
Shake it out.
Just like the cat on commercial lights. Really gotta get up out of here and go somewhere. Gotta be that fool for somebody who appreciates all the love I give. Boy, I gotta shake it out. Gotta do what's best for me, baby, and that means I gotta.
So we have this TEMU nightgown. Very nice. It has a little belt. And this is a 4X. I wasn't sure how the sizing was going to go. So to do this haul, I wanted to size up. So I got a 4X. It's big on me, but I can make big work. I can't make too small work. So I like it. It's a nice gown to go away with. It's age appropriate for my channel. I have some nice ones. Me and hubby go away, but that's not for my channel. You can just imagine. I'll show you some pictures of some other plus size ladies. You know, in their garments, but the young grandma is going to keep it a little classy on the channel. And these are nice gowns that I like to wear when I'm going away, I'm visiting family. It's from TEMU. The price will be on the screen. So now this is the black one. It has the droop neck in the front here. You know, the house coats are long, but you know I'm short. So I'll just get me some iron tape and hem it up. So this is another 4X. I could have sized down. Just like I said, these gowns are nice gowns. If you're going to visit friends, family, look decent, look classy walking around their house. They may have husbands, kids, sons, and you look appropriate. This is what these kind of gowns are for. Even if you go to the hotel with your husband, it's better than wearing the same gown that you wear every day at home, or you can wear these every day at home. I start going to bed looking nice. But this is not something I want to sleep in every night because I like to be comfortable and get my sleep on, you know? But these are very, very nice.
Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo.
Okay, so this one is pretty much like the black one. It's a little wrinkled up here, but you get the gist of it. I'll just steam it out. This gold is beautiful. I didn't know I was going to like the gold this much, but I do. Yes. And I didn't tell you, they all come with the string that you pull, take it, and you wrap it. This one is a 4X as well, but this one fits a little more snug than the other two were big. But this one is fitting like the 3X would have fit. I love the gold. And these are the shoes that I wore with them. Nice and pretty. And this is the gold one. guys enjoyed my Valentine's Day clothing haul, and we will see you guys on the next video.